No, you can tell me your name. Tell me your name.
What's that?
My name is.
6 batteries in it.
What did you do today?
What's that? 6.
Okay. What you're doing right now? What's wrong with the girl there? What are the blue pieces?
People fell in the water.
What are the blue pieces?
Here, here,
What are the blue pieces stand for?
for the water.
Okay. What did you do here, Ethan? What did you do?
I made a light. I made a ship here.
Okay, so what did you do with your bee? Why you go to the right piece there?
I just cut this slice of it.
Okay.
I go to that place.
Okay.
Like that.
That's a good start, Ethan. Thank you.